So we can continue. So the values that we produce, now I have the audio, so that's good. 0.07147 here, 0.07143 here. Where for the negative we have 0.0714139, and then 0.07143. So basically we can, the answer will be, we think that the limit as h approaches 0 of the square root of 49 plus h minus 7 over h is close to 0.0714, like so, or 13 if you want to go 5 decimal digits. Okay, so was it in the quiz? Was this question in the quiz? Yes. So, but now here we're going to learn a dirty trick here, a way to calculate it exactly. So this is something I don't think you've seen before. So here's what we're going to do. We want to calculate the limit of the square root of 49 plus h minus 7 in the numerator divided by h, and the limit as h goes to 0. So what do we do? I want to go ahead and get rid of the radical on top. And so how we do so, if you recall your algebra days, to eliminate a radical, we can do it by multiplying by its conjugate. So what is the conjugate? Basically, we're looking at a binomial where we have the subtraction in between. The conjugate will be the same binomial, except we'll have plus sign in between. Okay? So the conjugate will be the square root of 49 plus h plus 7. Now, since I cannot change the value of the limit, if I multiply, I need also to divide. So I'll do the same thing here. So kind of goes against your intuition, because what you learn in algebra is that you want to rationalize the denominator, right? Instead, we are irrationalizing the denominator by introducing radical in the denominator. Go ahead with your question, please. No, we have minus 7 here. So the conjugate will be plus 7. The conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. Okay? Same binomial, but different sign. Now, what we accomplish by doing so? Here's what we accomplish. Remember, when you multiply a conjugate pair, a minus b times a plus b, the result would be a squared minus b squared. Right? And this is the idea. So what it does, it helps us to rationalize, instead of the denominator, we're going to actually rationalize the numerator. So we'll have on the front, on the first part, we'll have the square root of 49 plus h, but we're going to square it, right? That will be a squared. B is 7, so we're going to square the 7. And unfortunately here, well, you see that actually this unfortunate is a fortune. Yeah, actually I forgot to. Thank you. Here we are stuck with the radical, but it's okay. It doesn't frighten us. We are way stronger than that, right? So radical don't scare us anymore. So let's see what happens if you clear the parentheses after squaring the square root. Well, basically you're going to get rid of the radical, and on top you have 49 plus h minus 49 divided by h times the radical. Actually, the expression square root of 49 plus h plus 7, like so. Okay? Notice that 49 minus 49 cancel each other, and what you have is h divided by h. Remember, at this point, since you have the limit notation, h is not equal 0. If h was equal 0, we are SOL basically because we have to divide by a 0. But the limit, the idea of the limit is that h is never exactly equal 0, but close enough to 0. Okay? At this point, we are not going to apply the substitution rule or the substitution law of the limits law, because right now we have undefined situation. Remember, we can apply the substitution law only when we have no holes or vertical asymptote. So we are not there yet, but at this point, after reducing h and h, we are, because after doing this, the numerator will be 1. The denominator will be the square root of 49 plus h plus 7. Now I'm looking at this result to say, I can substitute. I'm in no violation here. Because if h exactly equals 0, I don't have a division by 0. Or I don't have a hole. Okay? So, and this is really the only limit law that I'm going to use here. The substitution law. Because this thing is continuous over all the domain. So especially continuous from over any domain containing 0. So, so here I'm going to say substitution, by substitution, long word. It will be what? It will be 1 over square root of 49 plus 7, which happen to be 1 over 14, which happen to be, if you plug it in the calculator, happen to be what? 0.07143. But the exact value is 1 over 14.